Question 26 of the WAEC 2019 Mathematics Past Question. It says an arc subtends an angle of 72 degrees at the center of a circle. Okay, so we have a circle. Okay, this my circle is quite let me erase this. Okay, so let's try to draw a circle. It won't be that perfect. Okay, all right, so let's do this. So an arc, all right, an arc subtends an angle to the center of a circle. Okay, subtends an angle of what, 72 degrees at the center of a circle. Find the length of the arc if the radius of the circle is what, 3.5. Okay, so we have to find the length of this arc. Okay, that's what we're looking for from here to here. Okay, so and we know that the radius of the circle is what, 3.5. Is that not it? All right, so it's easy. I hope you remember the formula for finding the length of an arc. I hope you remember length of an arc. It's always good you know this particular question. It's always coming out in WAEC. So just know the formula for length of an arc, which is what, theta over 360 times what, 2 pi r. Okay, so from here, where we have our theta as what, 72 divided by 360 times 2, we're given pi as what, times what, 22 over 7, and our radius as what, 3.5. Okay, so from here we can cancel out this 3.5 here, 1 in 7 to go 2 times. This 2 will cancel out. Okay, we have a 1. I think 72 something can cancel out, but when we punch in our calculator here, 72 times 22 divided by 360, we're going to get what, a 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for the length of this arc here, 4.4 what, centimeter. So our right option here is option C.